X1, Y1, it's your choice of which one you want to use. It's your choice at the end of the day, okay? Your choice. I'll do both. There. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1, right? Is there a glare on this?
Yeah. Turn off the front ones, I think. The front and the back.
Better?
A little bit, but there's two like rectangles in the middle.
You just turn off that, like turn on the lamp.
I'd say just turn off all of them and turn on the lamp in the back.
Yeah, but then it's like, I don't
Then they'll
know
have
if the
this circle
students
over
at
there.
home will see it, and plus it's good.
Right.
It's good. Okay, so you have Y2 minus Y1, Y2 minus Y1, 7 minus a negative 6 over 12 minus a negative 3. Okay?
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
So on the test, do we have to do it both ways?
No,
Oh.
it's your choice.
Okay.
It's your choice. I'm just doing it both ways to show you how you can get the same answer if you do your math correctly. What happens when you're subtracting a negative?
You add them.
You add them.
You add them together.
Okay? 7 plus 6 is
13.
12 plus 3 is 15. Can you simplify these?
Nope.
No.
No, not at all. If it was 12, then yes, you could, but
What would you simplify? Wait.
if the numerator was 12,
3.
then
Oh yeah.
it was simplified to 4 over 5, you know? But this type of situation, you can't really do that, okay? Another way. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2, okay? Remember, if you start with the Y2, you must start with the X2 on the bottom. If you start with the Y1, you must start with the X1 on the bottom, okay? So just know, all right? And then just pretty much, you know, do it the same way. Negative 6 minus 7 over negative 3 minus 12. Same sign.
Son. What?
Yes,
Oh.
it's good. It's correct. Okay.
thought it
Same
was
sign. Sum.
So either way, it's adding.
You're adding them together. Except instead of a positive 13, this will be a
Wait, hold on. So
negative 13.
with the 12, if the 12 was negative at the top, like in the parentheses, you do 3 minus 12.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay. And it will be negative 15. Please do not leave any of your slopes like this. A negative over a
you
negative.
just have to divide it by -1 and then
No,
it switches.
You just turn it to positive.
you already know negative divided by negative is a positive. So therefore,
Yeah.
write it, okay? Do not leave it with a negative being divided by a negative. That's not telling me something. And I will mark it wrong, okay? It will be marked wrong if you leave it like this. 1 through 4. Simple, okay? Pick either one. I do not care. As long as your answer
Is correct. Alright.
Whew. Y'all might be thinking, hey, this is really simple. It really is, honestly. Look at number 5 and 6. Find the slope of each line. Find the slope of each line. Look at number, well, for your 5 and 6, find the slope of each line. So, say for example, you have y equal to a negative 2x minus 2. Tabor, what's your slope? Right here. What's our slope?
I don't know.
Oh, I think.
Look at your notes.
Oh,
Angles. I told y'all to get y'all's papers out. Al. Say it louder.
-2.
Slope
Oh, yeah.
is equal to -2.
Y equals mx plus b.
Oh, yeah.
And then the m is the slope. Alright, yeah.
Say it louder so that everybody can hear you.
Me?
Yes. Y equals
Mx plus b and m is your slope.
Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. Okay?
Alright, yeah.
So the answer is -2.
Oh, so that's the whole thing? Oh. Okay, that was
Oh.
Like, I'm not trying to trick y'all
Okay,
here.
okay, okay.
So 6 is,
Wait.
6 is -3/2.
Yeah, if you have,
Oh, so if it's just x, it's just gonna be 1.
if you have, no,
No, because like y equals x plus 1, it's just gonna be 1.
yes.
Okay.
If you have a question that's saying y equals
Because
x
both of mine are like
plus 1,
Oh.
then what is your slope?
1.
1. Slope is equal to 1.
What if it's a
Okay.
negative?
Panic because I was
Then it'll be, huh?
What if it's a?
So if you have y equals -3/5 plus x plus 4, Mr. Wasserman,
It'd be negative, right?
what is your slope?
So -3/5.
There you go. -3/5.
Are you serious?
Just
Why
say
thought you had to do like what you did
Wait.
and make it
no.
So
What?
we're overthinking it. Okay.
You're very much so are.
Yeah.
The equation is what? Look at what I wrote on y'all's paper yesterday when I described the slope.
Oh.
Oh.
And matter of fact, the top part, Ms. Burns said it. Ms. Burns says slope intercept is y equals mx plus b. And I circled I made a box around the m, and I said m is equal to slope, and the b is equal to your y-intercept.
Oh.
So it's always. Oh, okay.
Wait,
Hold up, Ms. Mazon. Ms. Mazon.
Even if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, you just don't touch it?
Yes, it doesn't matter.
You just pull it
Wait, miss.
Matter of fact, you want your slope to be a fraction, whether it's proper or improper. Okay? Yes,
Why is that though?
because
It's easier to work.
it's easier. You want your slope to be that because it shows you how many units you're going to rise and how many units you're going to.
Right.
There you go. Okay. So you want your slope to be a fraction, whether it's proper or improper, because it shows you how many units you're going to rise and how many units you're going to run. Okay? Yes.
So are we doing the same thing for 9 and 10 or 7 and 8 then?
7 and 8.
What, can I ask you a question about my paper? Like, I don't get this.
Hold on. Hold on. 7 and 8. Y, what does it say? Find the slope of a line that is what to the given line?
Parallel.
And
Parallel is the
It's
same.
the same. Really.
it's the same slope, right?
Yeah.
So therefore,
The answer is the slope.
exactly.
Oh. Yeah,
I
but-
guess my past
but I don't get
teachers
mine.
have been
I don't
confusing
get
the heck
mine.
out of
Don't
me.
worry, I'm gonna get you yours. I'm gonna get you yours.
Yeah.
Okay?
What is it?
Numbers 9 through 10.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Miss Mazzone.
Those are easy.
For my number 9 is just y equals 1.
Ah,
Mine's x equals -1.
okay, and I'm gonna get to that. Why? But for numbers 9 through 10, you're finding the slope of a line that is perpendicular to the line. Remember when we went over perpendicular lines? And finding the reciprocal. Okay. So for example, for numbers 9 through 9 and 10, if you have something like y is equal to a negative x minus 5, right?
Oh,
Then therefore the slope,
it's -1.
no, you change the sign and you flip it out. Well,
That's all you have to do.
yeah,
Oh.
for the reciprocal, you change and flip. Remember, I taught y'all this yesterday.
So it'd be 0/1.
No.
For 7 and 8? Or 9?
What would be the slope of a perpendicular line?
Negative 1.
One.
I mean,
1.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1.
It would be positive
Yeah,
1.
positive.
A positive 1. Okay? Because essentially this is a negative 1 over 1, right?
So this one.
So you change the sign and flip it, it's a positive 1 over
Wait,
1.
how's it negative? Oh, is it negative x or something?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So for my number 9 is y equals -1, and on the back it says 9 equals undefined.
Oh,
Because.
oh, yeah. Because if it doesn't have a, hey, wait,
Mine is.
if it doesn't have an x, then it's undefined.
Just y equals m.
That's what I was asking
Y
you about
is
the
undefined.
parallel one. What do you write if it's undefined?
Undefined.
Oh, I thought there was
Oh,
like a
Here's the thing.
shrunk.
Here's the thing. All of y'all are asking the same exact question as to what I showed you yesterday when it comes to if you have y equal to something or if you have x equal to something, okay? All right, x equal to whatever number is a vertical line, okay? And that is undefined. Mr. Slopeman. Y equal to whatever number is a horizontal line.
Oh, it's 0.
Wait.
Yeah, that makes
Way
sense.
too much.
That makes sense.
But.
Hold on, I need to write that in this paper.
Mr. Slopeman is going to be something I have to do constantly.
I'm gonna tattoo him on my forearm.
Yes.
Would mine be undefined then? Because it's.
I'm gonna tattoo him on my.
Like.
Hold up. If it's y equal to whatever number, if it's just y equal to a number by itself, right? It's a horizontal line.
No, I'm saying because for like.
What does yours say?
It's x equals -1.
What number?
9.
Number 9?
Yeah.
X, it says x equals -9. What is x equal?
-1.
X is equal to -1, okay? So, therefore, it's giving you a vertical line. Therefore, what is your slope?
Undefined.
Undefined.
Oh, vertical.
Oh,
Okay, so, just so that I can explain this just again, so that the kids at home will know, when dealing with perpendiculars, okay? Whatever number, we all know that x equal to whatever number is a vertical line going through the x-axis, which makes it undefined. Y equal to whatever number is a horizontal line crossing the y-axis, which is equal to 0, okay? So, in this type of situation, when you're dealing with perpendicular slopes, if you have x is equal to whatever number, that's that whatever number over 0. But in the spirit of changing and flipping, if you flip it, then it will be 0 over that number, which will be equal to 0, because 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. So, when dealing with perpendicular, that N looks like a W. There we go. When you're dealing with perpendiculars, just do the opposite of them. It might get a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie, but that's like, I guess, the hardest part that y'all are gonna have off of this,
Yeah, that
okay?